friends, welcome to visit our PP Webbing workshop. You can check, this is the PP yarn. We are making the small bobbin of the PP yarn into a big bobbin PP yarn, which can save more time to change the bobbin and save more workmanship. And after making the finished big bobbin like this is the finished product. And then we put it into the weaving machine, just like this way, to the weaving machine, and then we weaving the webbing. We can custom with any color that you want. So if you want to know more details about our PP yarn or PP webbing, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.